Hey, can you keep a secret? Watch this video to the end and I've got a special surprise just for you. As you may already know, there's over 8,600 stocks listed in the US stock markets. And of those 8,600 shares, about 5,500 are available for options trading. 5,500 stocks is a lot, and if I spent just 5 minutes researching and reviewing each stock as a possible option trade, I would end up spending 458 hours just analyzing the stock. And if I could do that continuously for that entire 458 hours, that would take me over 19 days. There's just gotta be a faster and easier way to do this. And that's why I created my one-button stock screener. I go from 5,500 stocks down to the top 10. And spending 5 minutes on the top 10 stocks, that takes me less than 1 hour. So here's an example of a stock that popped up on my screener that I want to share with you as a possible option trade. It's for a company called Athira Pharma Incorporated, and the stock symbol is ATHA. Now, if you're not familiar with this company, they're a late clinical stage biopharmaceutical company that focuses on developing small molecules to restore neuronal health and slow neural degeneration. Now, the company was incorporated in 2011 and it's headquartered in Bothell, Washington. Now, the company has a market cap of $346 million and an average share trading volume of 291,000 shares. Now, if you follow my channel at all, you know that I typically don't look at smaller companies such as this one, right? So I like to see a market cap closer to the $1 billion or higher range. And I also like to see the average share trading volume above 1 million shares. And that's because I like to have a lot of liquidity. And you get that by having a lot of shares being bought, sold, and traded. And in this case, this company's shares are only averaging around 290,000 shares. Now, the industry analysts have given this stock a 1-year price target of just over $32 per share. Now, of course, there's no guarantee that the stock price will ever reach this price, but it's good to know that the industry analysts, after checking their facts and figures and focusing in on the company and the research they've done, they're anticipating that this stock could possibly reach that level within the next 12 months. Here's a daily stock chart for the company going back to January of 2022. We can see that when the company reported earnings on May the 12th, the stock price dropped to a low, closing at $7.90 per share. Well, since that time, this company has been on a slow climb upwards. Let's take a look. So if I measure from where it was to where it is today, in less than 1 month, this stock is up over 16%. So I'm personally going to be adding this stock to my watch list, and I'm going to be monitoring where it goes, because I'm anticipating that the company growth will continue and the stock price will climb even higher. And as a result, I'm considering selling a cash secure put. Let's take a look at the option chain. So I put in the stock symbol into my trading platform. And then I'm going to press Trade ATHA Options. Now I'm interested in selling a cash secure put, and I'm going to be using the June 17th expiration date. So that's just under 2 weeks away. Now, based upon the chart information and where I think this company stock is going, I like the $7.50 strike price, which is currently paying $1 in premium. Let's use those numbers and look at the profitability that I might have by selling a cash secure put. I'm going to be using my Picking Stocks for Options analyzer, and I'm going to input the values now. So the stock symbol is ATHA, and I'm going to use the June 17th expiration date with a $7.50 strike price, which is currently paying $1 in premium. So we can see that with the June 17th expiration date, the length of this option contract is only 11 days, so just under 2 weeks. Now with the $7.50 strike price, that means I need to reserve $750 as my collateral, and that's in case the option gets exercised and the shares get assigned to me, in which case I'll use my collateral to pay for those shares. Now if the shares do get assigned to me, I'll end up paying $7.50 per share, which is a discount of $1.66 off the current market price. And that represents a savings of just over 18%. So if I can buy these shares at an 18% discount, that's a win for me. Next, when I sell this cash secure put, I'll receive a premium payment, and that's going to be $100. And that $100, that represents a gain of just over 13% based upon the amount of money I had to reserve as my collateral. So this trade's looking really good. I can make $100 or 13% in just 11 days. You can do the same thing that I'm doing and save tons of time by using my one-button stock screener. And for a limited time, I'm giving away my one-button stock screener for free. And you can download it for yourself by visiting my site, simplestockscreener.com. Hey, I don't know what you're still doing here. Get the free download of my one-button stock screener. Go to simplestockscreener.com. Now. Do it now.